Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods. You've probably heard this term thrown around a lot, but what exactly makes a food super? More importantly, what hidden health benefits do these nutrient-packed wonders offer? By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of some of the most powerful superfoods and how they can transform your health. So, let's get started. Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods considered to be especially beneficial for health and well-being. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients. While no single food can provide all the nutrition our body needs, incorporating superfoods into a balanced diet can have remarkable health benefits. These foods are often plant-based, but some fish and dairy are also considered superfoods. The term superfood isn't a scientific term but is used to highlight the high nutrient density of these foods. Superfood number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are often hailed as a top superfood due to their high antioxidant content. These tiny berries are packed with vitamins C and K, fiber, and manganese. Antioxidant power. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants called flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. In fact, 1 cup of blueberries contains 24% of the recommended daily intake, RDI, of vitamin C and 36% of the RDI for vitamin K. Brain health. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in blueberries may delay brain aging and improve memory. A study published in the Annals of Neurology found that consuming blueberries can slow cognitive decline by up to 2.5 years in older adults. Heart health. Blueberries can help lower blood pressure and reduce LDL cholesterol levels, both of which are crucial for maintaining heart health. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that daily blueberry consumption for 8 weeks can reduce blood pressure by 4 to 6%. Superfood number 2. Kale. Kale has earned its superfood status thanks to its incredible nutrient profile. This leafy green is loaded with vitamins A, K, C, and B6, along with minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Nutrient density. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Just 1 cup of raw kale provides 206% of the RDI for vitamin A, 684% of the RDI for vitamin K, and 134% of the RDI for vitamin C. Antioxidants. Like blueberries, kale is rich in antioxidants. It contains beta-carotene and flavonoids like quercetin and kaempferol, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and heart-protective effects. Detoxification. Kale is a great detox food because it is rich in fiber and sulfur, which support your body's detoxification processes and help keep your liver healthy. 1 cup of kale also contains about 2.5 grams of fiber, which aids in digestion. Superfood number 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they pack a big nutritional punch. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and various micronutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation. Unlike many plant sources, chia seeds provide a high amount of ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3. Just 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons, of chia seeds contains 5 grams of omega-3s. Digestive health. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which can help support digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. 1 ounce of chia seeds provides 11 grams of fiber, which is 44% of the RDI. Bone health. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are important for maintaining strong bones. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains 18% of the RDI for calcium, 30% of the RDI for magnesium, and 27% of the RDI for phosphorus. Superfood number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a golden yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a strong antioxidant. It can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to many chronic diseases. Curcumin constitutes about 3% of turmeric by weight. Joint health. Turmeric is particularly beneficial for people with arthritis. Studies have shown that curcumin can provide pain relief and improve function in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. In fact, one study found that curcumin was as effective as ibuprofen in reducing pain in knee osteoarthritis patients. Brain health. Curcumin has been shown to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a type of growth hormone that functions in the brain. Low levels of BDNF are linked to depression and Alzheimer's disease. Studies suggest that curcumin can improve memory and attention span in older adults. Superfood number 5. Quinoa. Quinoa is a whole grain that has gained popularity in recent years due to its high protein and fiber content. It is also packed with vitamins and minerals. Complete protein. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it an excellent protein source for vegetarians and vegans. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides about 8 grams of protein. Fiber. Quinoa is high in fiber, which helps with digestion, maintains healthy blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full longer. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains 5 grams of fiber, which is 21% of the RDI. Minerals. Quinoa is a great source of important minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides 30% of the RDI for magnesium, 15% of the RDI for iron, and 13% of the RDI for zinc. Superfood number 6. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids and is packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. Omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is rich in EPA and DHA, types of omega-3 fats that are crucial for brain function, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of salmon provides 2.6 grams of omega-3s. Protein. Salmon provides high-quality protein, which is important for muscle repair and growth, as well as overall body function. The same serving size of salmon offers about 25 grams of protein. Vitamins and minerals. Salmon is a great source of B vitamins, particularly B12, which is important for energy production and maintaining healthy nerve cells. It also provides a good amount of selenium, which has antioxidant properties. A 3.5-ounce serving of salmon provides 51% of the RDI for selenium and over 100% of the RDI for vitamin B12. Superfood number 7. Avocado. Avocados are nutrient-dense fruits known for their healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Healthy fats. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 1 avocado contains about 21 grams of fat, with the majority being monounsaturated. Fiber. Avocados are high in fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion and can help keep you feeling full, aiding in weight management. 1 avocado provides about 13 grams of fiber, which is 54% of the RDI. Nutrient-rich. Avocados provide a variety of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and folate, which is important for cell function and tissue growth. 1 avocado contains 28% of the RDI for potassium and 30% of the RDI for folate. Incorporating superfoods into your diet is a fantastic way to boost your overall health and well-being. While these foods are incredibly nutritious, it's important to remember that no single food can provide all the nutrients your body needs. A balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is the best way to ensure you're getting all the essential nutrients. For instance, combining a handful of blueberries with your morning oatmeal. Adding kale to your salads, or sprinkling chia seeds on your yogurt can make a big difference in your nutrient intake. Including a serving of salmon in your weekly meal plan or enjoying avocado toast can also significantly contribute to your health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, consider adding some of these superfoods to your cart. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Share your favorite superfoods in the comments below, and let us know if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Feel free to customize this script to better fit your style and the tone of your channel.